This could be the best Air Force One colorway of 2021. What's up everybody? This is Kale. Today I'm gonna do a quick review and on-fit on this new colorway of the Nike Air Force One SE. Love for all. Looking onto the box, well, I'm impressed that the box came with no dents. Great job by the courier. The packaging is the same as most Air Force Ones out there, with that Nike Air branding in the middle. Opening the box first, and would you look at that? It looks like an Air Jordan 1 low because of the color separation. The upper is in textured leather combined with some smooth overlays. There's a heart detail on the dobre, and there's also one on the heel on top of the Nike Air text. The laces are in white, and underneath there's that soft padded tongue with Nike tag on top. But I do not like the material they used in here. It's not like from the one they commonly use on most Air Force Ones. Anyway, the most noticeable part in this shoe is in the swoosh. The outer part has this embossed text here that says love, while the inner part says love for all. It's really the perfect time for Nike to release this shoe with that message because love is what the world needs now, especially with that hate crimes rising and this ongoing pandemic. Anyway, the embossed text came in siren red, and it does complement with the white leather and team red overlays. There are perforations on the toe, typical in most Air Force Ones. The collar is padded, and the soft insole makes this shoe comfortable to wear, combined with the air unit underneath. The capsule is the same with the OG 2007 AF1, as well as the outsole with an all-time great traction pattern. Overall, this Air Force One is exceptional, retains the characteristics that made the Air Force One so popular, and by tweaking some area in the shoe. The colorway they used here does pop, together with the custom swoosh and the message that comes in it. Love. It's a minor tweak in the shoe, but a substantial change, and that makes it the best Air Force One colorway this year so far, in my opinion. That's the end of the review. Leave a thought about the shoe by commenting below. Please hit the subscribe and bell button if you haven't yet. Now, we'll see the Air Force One SE. Love for all on feet.